Welcome to Kids Academy.
Celebrating World Children's Day, embracing rights, friendship, and global unity. Hey everyone! Today we've got something really important and exciting to talk about. Have you ever heard of World Children's Day? No worries if you haven't, because today we're going to dive right into it. So what exactly is World Children's Day? Well, it's a special day celebrated all around the world on November 20th. It's a day dedicated to kids, just like you, to learn about your rights and the rights of children everywhere. Let's deep dive into something really important, your rights as a child. Right to education. Imagine a world where you couldn't go to school, read stories, or learn about fascinating things. It will be a dark world. Education helps you understand the world, dream big, and become whatever you want to be. It makes you confident and ready to face any challenge. Right to healthcare. Being healthy is like having a superpower. Access to doctors, medicine, and good food keeps you strong and full of energy. It means you can run, play, and explore the world without worries. Protection from violence. Feeling safe and protected is your right. No child should ever feel scared or hurt. This right shields you from harm, bullying, and all things that can make you sad. It creates a safe space where you can laugh, make friends, and be yourself, knowing you are always protected. Right to play. Playtime is more than just fun. It's essential for your growth. When you play, you learn important skills like teamwork, problem-solving, and creativity. It's like practicing to be a superhero. Every child deserves these rights, no matter where they are in the world. So use your rights wisely and help others understand and protect theirs too. Now you might wonder, how do we make sure all kids have these rights? Well, that's where UNICEF comes in. UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund, is like a superhero organization for children globally. They make sure kids worldwide have clean water, good food, doctors, and schools. And guess what? We can help too. Even small actions, like donating or doing little community projects, can make a big difference in another child's life. Making friends with kids from different countries is important because you will get to learn about their languages, traditions, and games. Imagine discovering the exciting games kids play in Japan or the delicious foods kids enjoy in Mexico. By understanding these unique things, we can grow our hearts and minds, becoming more accepting and respectful individuals. Now, how can we connect with kids from other parts of the world? Well, there are cool ways. One way is through virtual pen pal programs. It's like having a friend you can write to online, sharing your experiences and learning about theirs. Also, there are video calls where you can see and talk to kids living far away, just like you're talking to a friend next door. Another fun way is by joining international projects. These are like big, fun missions where kids from different countries work together on something awesome. Whether it's creating art, solving puzzles, or planting trees, these projects bring us all together. By exploring, talking, and collaborating with friends from different countries, we're not only learning about their lives, but also making the world a friendlier and happier place. So there you have it, friends. World Children's Day is all about understanding your rights, making friends from all over the world, and helping each other out. I hope you enjoyed learning about this special day. Stay awesome, keep being kind, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.